Hi there, today I'll be installing hill descent in my 2019 Ford F-150 XLT with a 300A package. All you need is a 7mm socket, and I'll link the switch down below. So simply unhook the wire, squeeze the tabs on the side. Alright, so it just slid out the front. So here we have the old button and the new button. So the front, and as you can see, the back is identical. So it's plug and play. So I'm going to make sure the button's right side in. I'm going to push it in through the front until it snaps, just like so. Plug the harness back in, just like that, and then reinstall the whole dash. So it's as easy as just pushing the dash back in until all the clips snap. Then I'm just going to reinstall the two 7mm bolts. Work the tray down, snap it back into place, and there it is, all installed. I went from this to that, and now I'll have hill descent control once I get it all activated on my FORScan. Okay, so before I have the FORScan, I'm just going to show you guys the keys on. I press the hill descent and nothing happens on the dash, but if I press the traction control, it does recognize the traction control. So I'm just going to log into my FORScan and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm in my FORScan and we're changing the 4 to a 6 and the AC to CC on the 7600301 and the ABS module. Okay, so let's see if this worked. Look at that. So the new button works. Let me show you one more time. I'm pressing the hill descent, and there's your hill descent. To see this feature in action, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell. We'll be posting more videos. As always, to see more on my truck, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.